In this video, I'll show you how to transform ChatGPT into a personalized study buddy to help you master complex subjects like World War I. First, I'll provide a short prompt to set the AI's role, asking it to act as a tutor that simplifies concepts and adapts to my learning level. ChatGPT accepts the role and explains its strategy for breaking down ideas while identifying gaps in my knowledge, then asks me to specify my topic. Next, I'll request a structured overview of the causes and effects of the First World War, along with 5 follow-up questions to test my understanding. The AI delivers a clear breakdown of the war's origins, covering key themes like militarism and nationalism, while explaining the massive political shifts caused by the Treaty of Versailles. It also provides 5 targeted questions to help me process this information actively rather than just reading it. To finish the session, I'm going to ask for a 10-question short answer quiz with a full answer key and explanations included at the end. ChatGPT creates a comprehensive test on the spot, providing clear answers and simple explanations for every topic from the assassination of Archduke Ferdinand to the long-term social changes in Europe. This approach makes it incredibly easy for me to grade my own work, recognize my strengths, and fix any misunderstandings in real time. Using these prompts allows me to turn a standard chat into a powerful, interactive learning environment tailored to my exact needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.